Have you ever wondered if just a few words could unlock a flow of wealth into your life? Imagine having the power to change your financial reality simply by repeating a specific affirmation 3 times a day. Some say this practice has brought incredible results, money, opportunities, even unexpected success faster than they ever imagined. In this video, we're diving deep into how powerful affirmations work and why certain words, spoken with belief, have the power to shift your reality. It's not just about saying something over and over, it's about creating a magnetic force that attracts wealth to you at an incredible speed. Spoken words hold energy, and when you align your thoughts, words, and emotions, you can harness that energy to transform your financial situation. This is no ordinary talk. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use this affirmation, why it works, and the key to making it truly powerful. So stay with us and discover the steps to rewire your mindset, reprogram your beliefs about money, and activate this powerful affirmation to manifest wealth beyond your expectations. Ready to unlock the doors to abundance? You won't want to miss what's coming. Welcome to your channel name. If you're ready to tap into your potential and attract abundance, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey to a wealthier, more fulfilling life. Our minds are incredibly receptive to repetition, especially when it comes to affirmations. When we repeat certain phrases daily, they start to bypass our conscious thinking and sink deeply into our subconscious mind. This part of the mind, our subconscious, works quietly behind the scenes, shaping our beliefs, habits, and even our actions. The more often we repeat a specific thought or belief, the more our subconscious accepts it as reality, even if it initially felt out of reach. This is why, with time, affirmations can create powerful changes in our outlook and behaviors, especially when it comes to attracting wealth. Scientific research also supports the impact of repetition on the mind. Studies in psychology have shown that the brain's neural pathways are shaped by our habits, and affirmations are one of the simplest yet most effective mental habits we can adopt. When we say a phrase like, "I am attracting wealth at an incredible speed," we're not just stating an intention. We're laying down neural connections that start associating us with abundance and success. Over time, these neural connections strengthen, building a mindset that sees wealth as something achievable and present. Repetition also encourages the brain's natural ability to filter information. Each day, we're exposed to countless messages and experiences, but our brain selectively focuses on what it believes to be most relevant to us. By repeating wealth-focused affirmations, we're essentially telling our brain that financial success is a priority. This leads to a shift in our perspective, where we begin to notice opportunities, ideas, or connections related to financial growth, things we might have overlooked without this mental priming. Psychologists often refer to this as the confirmation bias, where we subconsciously seek out evidence to support our beliefs. As we repeatedly affirm wealth, our mind starts looking for proof of that wealth in our lives. This doesn't mean that money just appears out of thin air, but it means that we become attuned to spotting new opportunities, making better financial decisions, or even taking inspired actions that bring us closer to our goals. It's a subtle yet powerful shift, and it all starts with the repetition of a single, focused affirmation. Belief is the foundation that gives any affirmation its power. When you say, "I am attracting wealth at an incredible speed," it's not enough to simply say the words. You need to feel them, to believe in their possibility. Without genuine belief, affirmations can feel empty or forced. But when you start to truly believe in the potential of those words, something changes. They carry a strength and energy that resonates deeply within. Intention also plays a critical role. Think of intention as the fuel that drives an affirmation forward. When you repeat an affirmation with a clear, focused intention, you are setting a direction for your mind and energy. It's as if you're telling the universe and yourself that you're serious about your goal. This conscious intention adds weight to your words, allowing them to penetrate deeper into your subconscious. Rather than just speaking words, you're aligning your thoughts, feelings, and desires with those words, creating a powerful force that attracts what you seek. This isn't just about mechanical repetition, it's about immersing yourself in the feeling of wealth, even if you haven't achieved it yet. Imagine what it would feel like to truly be in a position of financial abundance. Visualize the possibilities, the opportunities, and the freedom that comes with it. When you can connect emotionally with this vision while saying the affirmation, you're bridging the gap between thought and reality. This combination of belief, intention, and feeling is what makes an affirmation truly effective, shifting your mindset to not only see wealth as a possibility, but as an inevitable outcome. The affirmation we're focusing on is simple yet powerful. I am attracting wealth at an incredible speed. Each part of this phrase holds a specific purpose and energy designed to align your mind with the flow of abundance. When you say, I am attracting wealth, you're claiming wealth as something that's already on its way to you. The words I am are statements of presence and self-empowerment. They root this desire in the here and now. By affirming that wealth is already coming toward you, you're creating a mindset of expectancy rather than one of longing. It's a subtle shift, but instead of hoping for wealth, you're confidently calling it into your life, signaling to your mind that abundance is within reach. The phrase at an incredible speed adds an element of urgency and momentum. Wealth isn't something that's slowly trickling in, it's arriving quickly, with a sense of immediacy. This speeds up the manifestation process, creating a mental image that financial growth isn't a distant goal but an ongoing reality moving closer with each repetition. This part of the affirmation primes your mind to seek faster results and stay alert to any opportunities that may accelerate your progress. For the best results, it's helpful to repeat this affirmation at 3 specific times each day: in the morning, midday, and before you go to bed. Morning affirmations help you start the day with a mindset of abundance, setting a positive tone and intention. Midday repetitions act as a mental reset, refocusing you on your goal and realigning your thoughts with wealth, especially if your day has brought any stress or distraction. And at night, this affirmation can prepare your mind to process this intention while you sleep, giving your subconscious mind time to internalize and strengthen it. By repeating the affirmation at these key points, you're creating a consistent rhythm that reinforces your desire for wealth and embeds it deeply within your subconscious. As you repeat the affirmation, I am attracting wealth at an incredible speed, imagine what that wealth looks like to you personally. Picture yourself experiencing the financial freedom you desire, seeing money flowing into your life, feeling a deep sense of security, and visualizing the specific outcomes you want. By pairing this mental image with the affirmation, you're creating a strong connection between your words and your vision of abundance. Visualization adds a vivid, emotional layer to the affirmation. When you can see and feel the details of what wealth would bring to your life, it stops being just an idea and becomes something real in your mind. Picture the moments that would mean the most to you. Maybe it's a new home, the ability to help loved ones, or the freedom to pursue your passions without financial worry. Each of these images helps build a stronger emotional bond to your goal, making the affirmation even more powerful. This connection deepens when you feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement as if you're already living in that wealth. The more emotion you bring into your visualization, the more your mind aligns with the energy of abundance. Visualization works as a bridge, taking the affirmation from a spoken phrase to a felt experience. As you visualize and affirm, you're not only telling your subconscious that wealth is possible, you're showing it how wealth feels, helping you attract it with greater ease and intention. Consistency is the backbone of this affirmation practice. Repeating "I am attracting wealth" at an incredible speed daily and 3 times per day creates a powerful rhythm that trains your mind to focus on abundance. Each repetition strengthens the idea that wealth is not only possible but on its way to you, making it a part of your daily mindset. Manifesting wealth isn't something that happens overnight. It requires steady, persistent effort. Just as wealth in the physical world often builds gradually, the same is true for the mental foundation. With each repetition, you're reinforcing a belief system rooted in abundance and prosperity. Think of it as planting seeds. Each time you affirm, you're nourishing those seeds, helping them grow into tangible results. Over time, the consistent practice of affirming wealth allows your mind to focus more naturally on financial opportunities, ideas, and actions that align with abundance. This regular focus is key because it keeps your energy and attention directed toward your goal. Life can easily distract us, pulling our thoughts away from what we want to manifest. But with a steady affirmation practice, you're bringing yourself back to your intention throughout the day, recentering your mind on wealth and keeping your desire active and alive. Persistence is what transforms this affirmation from a simple phrase into a powerful, unstoppable force in your life. By repeating this affirmation daily, you're tapping into a powerful practice that can shift your mindset and open new paths to wealth. Saying "I am attracting wealth" at an incredible speed isn't just about words. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with the life you want to create. With time, dedication, and a strong belief in your own potential, you may start to notice subtle but meaningful changes: a greater awareness of opportunities, an increased sense of confidence, and a deepening connection to abundance. So give this practice a try and see how it transforms your life. Let yourself fully commit to this journey of attracting wealth and living a life of purpose and prosperity. Remember, consistency and belief are your greatest tools on this path. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel, your channel name, for more insights into attracting abundance and creating the life you desire. We're excited to join you on this journey to wealth and fulfillment.